Welcome to DataStudio's tutorial for image captioning. DataStudio offers a unique preview functionality, allowing users to input images and give captions for it, thereby creating a dataset for image captioning. This is significant in enhancing the accessibility and interpretability of visual content. Let's dive into a live demonstration. Navigate to our platform at datastudio.indicaai.com. Create a new project. Choose the image captioning template from our extensive collection designed for computer vision projects. Upload your data utilizing either local storage options or a seamless cloud integration. Provide captions for every image in your dataset. I'll give the caption cat for this one. Finalize the process by exporting your annotated dataset in industry standard formats such as JSON by clicking here. This tutorial underscores the effectiveness and user-friendly nature of DataStudio's image captioning template. Designed with your AI projects in mind, our platform ensures a streamlined and productive experience in the realm of computer vision. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly.